Hey guys, it's Josh from BrandsWalk, back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how I pack and organize the Fjallraven Färden Duffel 50 bag. So as you can see here in the main compartment, you have this large trunk where you can put a lot of different types of travel equipment and clothing. You know, there's ample space. And what I usually like to do first is put in my Peak Design travel tripod. Yeah, so whenever I travel, I like to bring this travel tripod whenever I need to go shoot something outdoors. So let's put that in here first. And next up is my Fjallraven necessity bag. And this is part of the Färden series, same as the duffel bag. And if you want to see a full breakdown on how I pack and organize this bag, that's going to be linked down below. And then here I have my Thule packing cube. This just keeps everything organized in a tidy fashion so that I don't have like piles of clothes just, you know, all crumpled up inside the bag. And then we're just gonna put the rest of the clothing, like this jacket in here. And then this is just my light for, you know, photo shoots, video shoots when I'm on the go. And then next up, we have these headphones, over-ear headphones from Sennheiser. And these, you know, whenever I need to be editing videos on the go, this is perfect. And next up we have the sleeping mask, and you know, this always comes in handy when you're trying to travel and get some quality sleep. So yeah, let's put that in here like that. And now we have my MacBook Pro 16-inch, and I usually just put this in my laptop case like here. Yeah, I like to put this at the top of my bag just because, you know, I don't want it to get squished underneath all the luggage. And then of course we have the iPad Pro, and this, you know, I just put it on top of my MacBook like that. So yeah, I think we've basically covered the main compartment section of the Färden Duffel. So let's zip that up. And now onto the next compartment. You're gonna see right here, there is a zipper pocket in the front of the bag. And in here I like to place in my, you know, headphone cables, charging cables, MacBook charger. Yeah, just makes it really easy just to organize, you know, all the tech stuff inside this pocket. And last but not least, we have this shoe compartment on the side of the bag. And honestly, the good thing about the shoe compartment is that you can extend the storage space in it just by pressing into the bag, which gives, you know, an extra room for your shoes. So and of course you can lock it in with these buckles here on the side and tighten it. And the material itself feels very premium. It's this heavyweight canvas structure. It's waterproof, and you know, I love this green colorway as well. It's a sort of olive drab green, and I love how it complements the orange straps details. So yeah, overall, I hope you enjoyed this video about packing and organizing the Fjallraven Färden Duffel 50 bag. If you would like to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. This is Josh from BrandsWalk signing out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.